students, today I am going to explain the program for the 16th program. Display the hexadecimal 02F on a 7 segment LED interface with the appropriate delay in between. Okay, this is the program for that 7 segment display. Here I am going to initially adding the header file, that is hash include LPC 2148, and I am going to defining the digits 2. So before that digits 2, okay, I am going to explain in the 7 segment display. See, this is the 7 segment display components. Okay, this is already placed in the this ARM controller kit. Here the each digits, okay, so they are going to displaying 7 7 values, or it is a 7 LED lines, or it is 7 LED datas. Okay, each digit, so I am going to considering this is the digit 1, digit 2, digit 3 and digit 4. Okay, like that each digit, okay, they are going to display all 7 values. But as per my program, I am going to use for the second digits. Okay, as per my program, I am going to always use for the second digit, digit. Okay, so because of that only, okay, they are going to blinking initially. See, this is the second digit. Here I am going to define the digits 2. Okay, here in the digits 2, okay, I am going to defining the function. I am going to using the unsigned before that, okay, I am going to using the character digits. Okay, array of digits will be a 0 into 88, okay, which is nothing but this will be a value of the 0, means the decimal value 0. Okay, these all are the hexadecimal code. Okay, these all are the X code of, okay, so by using this X code, okay, we are going to display the value from 0 to 7. So this is what the actual program. Yes, see, this is the value of 0. Okay, this 88, okay, we are going to represent in the hexadecimal value, and this is the 0xEB, okay, which is nothing but this is the hexadecimal value of the 1. So yeah, so EB, which is nothing but is the hexadecimal. Okay, we are going to representing this value in the decimal value for 1, 2, 3, 4, like that till all 15 values. Okay, 0 to F. Okay, see, all 15 values, okay, we are going to defining in the form of hexa code. Yes, see, in the 7 segment, okay, display, so this is a 7 segment display. In the 7 segment display, these all are the hexa codes of, okay, these all are the hexa codes, okay, with respect to the decimal values. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, so on, okay, till 15 values. Okay, we have to look into the this 7 segment LED display. So after that, yes, here, okay, I am going to count, I am going to printing the value, okay, by using the variable count. Okay, here I am going to printing the value by using the variable count. Okay, how many values I am going to printing, means which is nothing but 0 to 15 values, that is 0 to F value. So it is going to controlling, that is I and J variable. Okay, it is going to controlling the variable of the 7 segment display. See, this I and J variable, I am going to initializing this I and J variable, they are going to controlling all 0 to F 7 segment, all 0 to F values, okay, in the 7 segment display. Next, here the count, okay, unsigned character count is equal to 0, okay, because my count will be starts from 0. Okay, here same thing, J and Z, I, okay, whenever it is going to incrementing, okay, keep on incrementing here, during that time J is equal to 1 and I is like that. Okay, every time it is going to changing the values. So here input output direction, okay, input output direction is equal to digit 2, which is nothing but here the digit 2 they are going to use for the port 1. Okay, port 1 of the, see here the port 1 pin number 11, okay, they are going to enable. Okay, whenever this digit 2, okay, it wants to enable this digit 2, okay, in the 7 segment display, okay, we have to enable the port 0 11th pin. Okay, see, this is the digit 2, okay, the port, see, the port pin, this is the digit 2, okay, this digit 2, okay, the port pin number, okay, the port 1 11th pin, the port 0, okay, 11th pin, okay, it is going to enable. So this is the digit 2 of the 7 segment display. Okay, and okay, once it is going to display all the values, okay, once it is going to display all the values at 0 to 15 values, okay, again it is going to clear the value, okay, whatever they have already displayed in the 7 segment delay, after some amount of delay it is going to clear the all the values from the digit 2. And here I am going to use for the like in the while loop, okay, in the while function, okay, I am going to use for the count plus plus, okay, count plus plus, which is nothing but first time, okay, it is going to display the value 0, after amount of delay, okay, again it is going to display the value 1 2 3 like that till 50, so that, okay, it is keep on incrementing, okay, until all 0 to 15 values will be a display on the 7 segment display. Here we are going to use for the for loop for like it is going to tells about the speed of that particular count, okay, where, okay, when it is going to speed, okay, like it is going to display the speed of that particular 7 segment, okay, whenever we are going to reducing the value, see the speed, which is nothing but delay time, okay, whenever we are going to reducing this value, okay, instead of 800, okay, you can make it as a 500 or 600, okay, it is going to display the that particular value, speed will be a high. Okay, whenever we are going to increasing, okay, instead of 800, okay, you can make it as 1000 1105, okay, it is going to like decreasing the speed of that particular value on the 7 segment display. So the one more thing here, the major thing, I am going to like clear the pin, oh sorry, like I am going to yes, clear this input output pin, that is 0x007F8, okay, 000, which is nothing but here the pin number, like the port 115 to port 122, okay, it is going to enable, means all the port will be enable, then only the like it is going to clear all the values from the LCD display. So this is what complete information support of the 7 segment display. And here whenever we want to see the brightness, okay, see the brightness of the 7 segment display, okay, we are going to use for this function, that is input output set function, okay, digital to, here I am going to like incrementing the speed or incrementing the brightness of that display, okay. So for that we are going to using this function. So now I am going to dumping the program to Flash Magic, from PC to Flash Magic, how it is I'll show. Yes, yes, now I am going to copy in the program. Yes, here same thing, NPC 48, okay, yes, new file, here I am going to type in the program. Yes, here I am going to type in the program. After that create the yes, after that, okay, I am going to save the program for lcd.c. yes, see here the target will be created. Again you have to click on the target function, use microlabs, output create X file, then say okay. Once the target options will be got over, you can generate the source file. In that source file you can right click on the source file, add existing file to group source. See my file will be here, that is LED. Added, close. So again I am going to check, and now I am going to compiling the program, no errors. So in the Flash Magic I am going to dump this code. Yes. So this is my LED X file. And the yes, so once I have like here, like instead of LED, okay, I have saved the program for LCD. So see here, like once I have done here, see the count is see, now I am going to dumping the program from PC to our LPC 214. See, successfully completed. See, whenever I started dump the program for this kit, see, it is going to display all the messages. Yes, it is going to display all the, that is 0 to F. Yes, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10